Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of home security, specifically doorbell cameras. With so many options on the market, it can be tricky to decide which one suits your needs best. Whether you're looking for top-notch video quality, night vision, or something that fits into your budget, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's start. Number 5 pick is the Wyze Video Doorbell V2, an innovative option that's both affordable and packed with features. This doorbell camera offers 2K video resolution with a head-to-toe view, ensuring you get a clear view of your visitors. Plus, it has color night vision and two-way audio, so you can speak with anyone at your door, no matter the time of day. The Wyze Video Doorbell V2 also comes with a Wi-Fi chime and supports local storage, which means you won't need to pay any monthly fees for storage. For those looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality, this one's a great choice. Number 4 is the Eufy Security Video Doorbell 2K. This camera gives you 2K resolution video, providing sharp and clear footage. It supports both battery and hardwired installations, giving you flexibility depending on your setup. One of the standout features of this doorbell is the local storage option, meaning you won't have to pay subscription fees for cloud storage. Additionally, it works with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can easily integrate it into your smart home system. It's a great pick for anyone looking for a high-quality, no monthly fee security solution. Number 3, Arlo Video Doorbell. We have the Arlo Video Doorbell 2K, which is another fantastic option for anyone who prioritizes video quality. This doorbell offers 2K resolution video with a 180-degree viewing angle. One of its best features is its enhanced night vision, allowing you to see clearly even in low light conditions. It also has a built-in siren and motion detection, alerting you to anyone approaching your door. With two-way audio, you can easily speak with visitors, and the app allows you to interact in real time. This is a great choice for anyone who wants a reliable and high quality doorbell camera. No to Google Nest Doorbell wired 2nd generation. This doorbell is perfect for those who already use Google products. It integrates seamlessly with Google Home, and it has all the features you'd expect from a premium doorbell camera. You get 24/7 streaming HD video and two-way audio, so you can always stay connected with your visitors. The camera has intelligent alerts for people, packages, animals, and vehicles, helping you filter out unnecessary notifications. If you're already invested in the Google ecosystem, this is definitely a smart choice. No one ring. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. This doorbell is a fan favorite for good reason. It offers 1536 PHD plus video, which gives you an ultra clear view of whoever is at your door. The Ring Pro 2 is equipped with 3D motion detection and a bird's eye view, so you can track the movement of people outside your home. It also has advanced motion detection settings that allow you to customize the zones where you want to be alerted. Plus, if you use Alexa, it integrates seamlessly, allowing you to control it with just your voice. The premium features of this doorbell, like its exceptional video quality and comprehensive motion detection, make it the top choice for many homeowners. If you're looking for the best overall performance, this is definitely the one to go for. Conclusion. There you have it, the top 5 doorbell cameras for 2025. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option like the Wyze Video Doorbell V2 or the premium features of the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2, there's something for everyone. I hope this list helped you find the perfect doorbell camera for your home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which one you're going to get. Thanks for watching and stay secure.